Hello there and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT's abilities to proofread text and to write in a better, more optimized tone. We have let's just say, one of the worst emails whatsoever that you can write for a pay raise request. And it starts off by saying, "Dear boss, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to let you know that I am working really hard and I feel that I deserve more money for the work that I've been doing. As you might have noticed, I've been putting a lot of effort, and I believe that I have been performing better than most of my coworkers, and I deserve a raise." This is quite funny. Now, this is quite funny to say this, but this is just an example of a poorly written email, okay? I have been with the company for several years now, and I think it's time for my pay to reflect my hard work and contribution to the company. I have been trying to achieve all my goals and deadlines, and without a doubt, I am one of the most committed employees here. Also, I have not gotten a raise in a while, which shows that I am loyal to the company and should be paid accordingly. In addition, I'm always here to help with anything that needs to be done. I always take on extra work and do what needs to be done, and it's not fair that my pay has not been increased. I've been showing up every day, working extra hours, and doing tasks above and beyond my role, and I am not getting compensated enough for this. So I hope you'll consider giving me a raise. I really think it's time. Thank you. Thanks for your time and consideration. So I'm going to go ahead and say the ChatGPT to actually, well, first of all, is just put the email. And here, I just put the email. I didn't say anything. I didn't even say, change this email. But now I'm going to say, improve and proofread and improve the tone of that email, because the first email was catastrophic. So now it has written a different email. It's much shorter, and it starts off by saying, "I hope this message finds you well. I would like to take the opportunity to request to reveal my current compensation over the past, let's just say, 6 years. I have consistently met and often exceeded my performance goals, taken on additional responsibilities, and demonstrated a strong commitment to the success of our team and the company as a whole. Given my contributions and the increased responsibilities I have undertaken, I believe my compensation should be adjusted to better reflect the value I bring to the organization. I would greatly appreciate the chance to discuss this matter further at your earliest convenience. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your feedback." And by the way, this is a type of email that would get you a salary raise, trust me, because the first one, if you analyze, and of course we're not here to analyze because we don't want to make lectures bigger than they deserve to be. But the first email has actually been, the first email really, really hurts the employees. So the person is talking as if he's better than everybody else, as if the others are not doing the work, taking it too personal. It's more of an emotional email. It's more of an emotional rant where the person is actually complaining about his situation in the company and how he's not understood and so on and so forth. But this one is professional. This one brings into consideration the fact that the person has taken extra responsibilities and he's been in the company for years and he exceeded his performance goals, which can be tracked. So he's talking sense, right? So if, let's just say, he's saying he exceeded his performance goals, if the manager thinks he didn't, then they can just bring the documents that show his performance goals and they will find out that he was talking true. So it's better to talk numbers. It's better to talk with evidence. And this email is full of evidence, and at the same time, I'm not talking bad about anyone, not targeting a team. It's concentrated fully on the person, not breaching any boundaries, and also staying very, very respectful and very inviting to a conversation, not forcing the salary raise or saying, "I'm going to leave my job. I feel like I deserve this," or there's no feelings here. It's all a merit. This email is really good. You can see the difference. This one, I would send this one 100 times. If I have to send this email 100 times, I'd send this one because it's really the best one compared to the horrible email that we saw at the beginning. And that's how ChatGPT can refine your work. So if you write an email, you can always take that email and you have nothing to lose. You can just come back here and say, refine this email, improve it, proofread it, improve the tone, and it will proceed to do that. So hopefully that you understood there's point, and I will see you in the next video.